Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. We're going to talk about pods today. What are they? Should you be in them? If someone invites you, should you join them? And short answer, a pod is a group that is put together for really the sole purpose of giving attention to one another's social media posts. For example, people have formed pods on LinkedIn that are really private. Nobody knows about them, allegedly, but this group of people. And they might say, hey, do you all want to join a pod? And when we each post something on LinkedIn, then we just post each other in private messaging. And then everybody goes and they actually click a reaction to, or they share it or whatever. And people get very excited about these because it means that post will get a lot of attention. The assumption is that LinkedIn's algorithms will love that. And what you need to know is that we need to be more strategic with what we do with our posts. And oftentimes what I'm seeing is that people are invited to these that have nothing to do with our practice areas. And so what happens is that a lot of people from disparate practice areas or different kinds of companies and different interests are the people that are sharing and commenting on our posts. So one of the benefits of someone commenting or sharing or reacting to our posts is that their followers could see that activity in their newsfeed. Well, it's going to seem very odd if all of a sudden someone who is involved in, maybe they work at a restaurant, has clicked a comment on one of my legal marketing posts, and their followers see that in their newsfeed, and all of a sudden, what have they done? They've confused their followers. I don't get it. I don't understand why you care all of a sudden about commenting on lawyers. I thought you worked at a restaurant. So you can confuse your clients. It's an artificial way of, as some people say, judging up a post, and it's not the best strategy. The other reason you don't want to do it is because LinkedIn doesn't endorse this kind of behavior. Don't think for a moment that LinkedIn's algorithms aren't sophisticated enough that they can detect when there is this kind of artificial boosting of posts going on. I would much rather see you within your own firms use a product like Adrian Dayton's Clearview Social. Clearview is all one word. And what that does is it helps your firm become much more strategic about sharing one another's content. It presents you with posts that have to do with what you do in your practice. You get to choose what you share, and that should be based on what your clients, your followers, those people you have identified as target audiences, what they might care about. That's it for pods today. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'm Nancy Myrland, and I want to let you know that my LinkedIn course for lawyers is going to be opening again very soon. So if you want to check it out, go to linkedincourseforlawyers.com. All right, take care. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland.